Hello guys, and we're back again and welcome. The first chart we're going to look at is the AUD CAD. I'm looking to sell it. It's shot up and I can't see anything clear as to when to go to sell. So basically that's one I'm keeping out of. Next chart we've got is the AUD USD. It's had a rally. It's hitting high resistance. I'm looking for a signal, and actually where the RSI is just cutting the trend line, I think that looks like, I'm waiting for confirmation before I go in because I've already got quite a bit on it. But if you're not in, I would say that is a good position to get in. And we can actually look at the CFTCs for this pair, which, hang on a minute. There we go, that's the euro, which really doesn't help me much. Can't get to it. The Australian dollar. Right. What's happened here? This is last week. This is 10 days old, this information, because it comes out on a Tuesday and it's reported on a Friday. So tonight, about 9 o'clock, I will have the new chart out and I will do a video tomorrow about it. There is quite a bit of pressure. The pressure changed over here. It went from from bought to sold. So the CFTCs are now looking slightly short, and the speculators are looking long. So basically, I'm waiting to see what information we get out tonight, and I will give you that tomorrow. But I've been short the Aussie dollar for a long time, and I've made a lot of money on it. Right, let's get back to the charts. Euro CAD. We're waiting for that to swing long, and then we'll short it. It's done nothing much. It's just sort of like hanging about the bottom. It has broken this trend line today, so we're thinking that maybe that's going to go up. But it is a swing trade long. That's nothing that we would take. We only want the shorts. So no, we'll leave that one for a bit. Euro GBP. Again, you got the trend line on the RSI there, and we're looking to sell. We're going to wait until the RSI breaks the trend line. Forex, a lot of Forex is actually patience, and a lot of the time you can actually miss things, and you can kick yourself as much as you like. If you missed it, you missed it. Get on with it. Look at a different pair. In the members center, which I'm going to be producing soon, there'll be about another 30 pairs. Well, there's about 100 pairs I'm looking at. There'll be between 4 to 30 pairs, which I think are of interest, which I'll do a Skype program on. Now we're on the Euro JPY. Yep, and it looks like it's been coming down a little bit. I'm in it short. I got in it back here, and yeah, this has just got to happen. The fundamentals on the euro are absolutely awful, and the Japanese yen at the moment is very much oversold. So we're waiting for that to come back, and I think that's going to be a very good trade. Euro USD, we're looking to sell it. Again, the RSI, it's still looking like it's going up. I'm not going to get into it yet. I'm waiting for it to break this trend line. It has failed half the way up at the 50 on the RSI. Just hang on. Even as we speak, it's going up. Just leave that alone for a bit. Pound USD. Longing. Yeah. I'm looking at this long. Um, it's a swing trade. Um, I don't do swing trades, but on the RSI here, it is just breaking through again. I don't know. That's not one for me, but you know, it's how you feel. I don't do swing trades, but there you go. USD CAD. We got into this with the speech yesterday. Fell even further. It's bounced back up a little bit, but I'm sure that's going to be a good long-term trade. It might take a couple of weeks. I was in here, this white line. I got knocked out. It subsequently came down a load more, and I thought, you know, I was in clover there, but no, sadly, it dropped some more, and it looks like it's going to bounce back up. USD JPY again. I was in this. I got knocked out at the white line. I couldn't get back in, and it dropped down. So that is a trade that I missed. I'm not expecting a pullback to 117. That's old news. Got to delete that. Oops. Delete it. Yeah. This is my target here, 113. I have another account where I am heavily short the USD JPY, and over the last couple of days I've been in and out of it, and I am happy. Yeah, I've done well out of that trade. The other trade that I look at is the Brent, which is on its way down, and this is what we do with that, right? We put a stop, a take profit. Stop losses I don't like. Take profit, we put a take profit in there. If that suddenly shoots back up, basically we're out and we can take a new position at a better position. You know, you can see the white line. That's where I got knocked out last time. It went down even further, which I was sad about, but it shot back up. This is faltering now. The oil price is faltering. We're at the top. It's just up and down, sideways movement. There's a lot of pips in this, and this is a positive trade. So you get extra money on your swaps. You know, this is absolutely terrific. So yeah, I will get back into that. Something else I wanted to show you before we go. USD JPY. Whoops a daisies. Yep. Something else I wanted to show you. Yes. Just move myself a bit that. Yep. Hang on a minute. JPY, Japanese yen. Yes. Now this is an ultimate. This is an ultimate. Right. The commercials are way up here, so they're going to long the Japanese yen. The Japanese yen has hit a bottom, and the commercials are buying the yen. So we're expecting the yen to go up. And as you can see, from this point here where they went very highly buying the yen, from that point there, which was Tuesday, 10 days ago, the yen has started to rise. I'm seeing a lot more movement in this. I think it's going to be a good move, that one. Anyway, look, I will come back to you tomorrow. I will have more of the COT charts and a review. Sorry about the last few days. I haven't been here, but I have had so much trouble with the camera. I'm back to an old camera now, and the other one's away for repair. So thanks for bearing with me. And next week, I hope to be doing a daily video, and I'll do it at 7 o'clock in the morning, so as you've got it fresh every day. Okay, thank you very much for that. Cheers.